Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. This video will feature trendy lobs as well as bob haircut ideas. So if you are looking to change it up and get a bob, definitely check out this video for some major inspiration. So the first clip is by Wes Does Hair, and he does some major inspiring hairstyles, a lot of which, showcase a variety of different colors. And this mint green bob is simply stunning. Quite the inspiring hairstyle. Love the pop of pink with her eyeshadow. And he is being very precise with his cutting. He's using shears, he's using the trimmer to just kind of touch up and further amplify that line, that bottom line that the bob has. So that is really just a sharp, edgy cut. Love the way the bangs look. It's really just a style that just flows. Alright, so next up we have another hairstylist, and he is doing, well actually that's the same one, and he's doing another colored bob. This one is a bit of a turquoise, bluish kind of hue with black roots, and it looks as if so far just a standard classic bob shape. Kind of thinning it out a little bit, really making sure the cut is polished. And here are the final results. That color is absolutely stunning. Such a unique hue and color combination that goes great with her skin tone. Alright, so next we see Wes doing a lavender bob haircut, and this one is more of the classic shape. Here he is cutting bangs in the front, adding in a bit of dimension to the overall look. Very pretty. He's grazing the eye line with those bangs. Such a pretty haircut, and that color is very unique. It's like a lavender, gray, silver. All right, once again we see Wes cutting more hair, and this is another bob. Here he is blowing it out, just kind of making sure that the style is set. And this is a bob on an older woman, so you know that bobs definitely are looks that work for a variety of age groups. And they're just kind of having a bit of fun here, so she's goofing off with her new hairstyle that she loves. Alright, so here is the finished look of her bob. He definitely left a lot of length at the bottom. Alright, so here we're seeing another lavender cut. I believe this is the same woman as before. He's just cutting at a different time, maybe giving her a trim. Or it could be someone else. Alright, so here he is polishing off the bangs, cutting around the bottom. Such a gorgeous hair color, so pretty. It's just so inspiring seeing these bob haircuts. It's making me want to cut my own hair. Alright, so next we see another bob haircut transformation. This one is also by Wes. Here he is coloring the hair. We'll see what color he ends up doing. As you guys have seen in the previous clips, he had some very vibrant hair colors that he likes to do. So he's definitely a whiz when it comes to coloring his clients. There he is sectioning off the hair, coloring it with the foil. So whatever color he's doing, it's definitely going to have dimension because his Colors definitely, oh wow, that is pretty. Gorgeous. So I would say this is more of a lob overall. Alright, so here he is doing yet another lob or bob. Yeah, it looks like a lob with this one. He's blowing out the hair, cutting off some more, doing it section by section. Usually when stylists do this type of technique, it's usually a client that has really long hair. I mean, really thick hair. And she does appear to have quite a bit of thickness throughout. So she has a slight money piece in the front with that highlight. And that is definitely a lob, I would say. Alright, so now we are going to see a transformation of someone who has a shorter bob. She has very bright peroxide blonde hair. And the stylist is cutting it to the shoulders. She's going back in there and just kind of shaping it up. Oh, she's cutting it even shorter. And this is more of a classic bob length that she's doing. Okay, so now she's cutting off the sides. So that is definitely like a severe angle bob with shaved sides. Very pretty. Alright, so next we see someone getting some clip-ins. And my guess is that is for thickness, and she is cutting the hair as well. It looks like she's cutting it into a shoulder length bob. This, of course, is more of a modern length for women that still want to keep a little bit of length, but they also want the hair to be short. Very pretty. All right, and here the stylist is just kind of using her shears and trimming the sides. And she is polishing off that gorgeous bob. Very pretty. It comes like exactly to her shoulders. Gorgeous length. Alright, so next we see her cutting another bob. And this one is more of a classic length, kind of short. She is using the length by length technique. Like I said previously, that's usually for clients that have thicker hair or if they just want more of a precise haircut. So she's actually adding in hair extensions with this cut. And I guess that is to give more volume throughout. And then she's slicking down the side. So she has a gorgeous shoulder length bob. And then she's spraying the hairspray directly onto the brush. And this is great if you don't want to spray directly on the hair, but you still want to add that hold. But she is spraying on the hair even though she's using the brush. So I'm not sure why she did that. Alright, so next we have another bob transformation. This one, wow, she has really long hair. So this one is going to the shoulders as well. Unless she decides to go even shorter. And this one is a bit more of an angled bob. It looks as though she left a lot of length in the front. So it's very long in the front and angled and shorter in the back. she is, just kind of trimming the pieces, making sure that the layers are nice and straight. Very pretty. Alright, you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know which bob or lob was your favorite, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.